Solana should not be where it is right now. It should not be at place number 10 in terms of market cap. It's the 10th largest cryptocurrency, but it is losing ground. And I think it's likely that it's going to continue to lose ground because of mainly this chart here, the ever increasing circulating supply. So 1 year ago, we had roughly 300 million of SOL token floating around. Now we are at 400 million. So within 1 year, we expanded the Solana circulating supply by 33%. And this has to be bought up by somebody, right? Who's going to buy this up? Now, most people just look at the Solana price in US dollars, right? You could either look at this on a linear scale or on a logarithmic one. So on a logarithmic one, we see the percentage change a little bit better. We don't look at the dollar changes. And since the top, we went down by 92%. Now, relative to Ethereum, it doesn't look much better. The problem is that this downward trend is pretty consistent among all kinds of relative valuations. So Ethereum is just one of them, right? Ethereum being the main smart contract platform with the most total value locked. Solana relative to Bitcoin looks even tighter, right? There seems to be more correlation between SOL and BTC. This chart would imply an even worse performance, potentially a drop relatively quickly versus Bitcoin of 50%. Even other smart contract platforms that didn't do too well, Solana was still able to underperform. This is Solana relative to Cardano. A long-term underperformance, also potentially a drop of 40% or so. So this is the problem, right? When you've got ever expanding supply, ever expanding unlocks happening, and the crypto market isn't growing as a whole, you see negative performance. And you can see this also in something called the Solana dominance. So all of these charts look pretty similar. It simply shows how Solana becomes less important of a part of all of crypto. This is Solana dominance. So how much of all of crypto is currently in Solana? 0.73%. What can this potentially turn around? Either a massive bull run in all of crypto, and then you've got the inherent leverage that happens, right? Whenever Bitcoin goes up 10%, then the altcoins might go up 20 or 30%. So this could offset the inflation. Another way would be a change of those tokens, right? When the circulating supply doesn't grow as quickly anymore, the relative valuations, at least to other cryptocurrencies, could improve. But so far with the current setup, I don't really see how all of this demand that's required with this additional circulating supply, with this token inflation, can be bought up. I don't see how Solana could outperform the rest of crypto. Thus, my take in this video is that we are very likely going to see rather sooner than later that Solana will fall out of the top 10. And over time, it might even get to the levels where we see Cosmos or Ethereum Classic. Or look at this, right? Arbitrum, it's at place number 37. I don't think there is a real justification for Solana to be that much ahead in terms of market cap versus Arbitrum. Do with this information whatever you think is most reasonable. I personally stay away. I would rather even potentially bet on falling prices in terms of relative valuation. I do have quite a few shorts right now. I do bet on falling prices of a lot of altcoins right now, at least in terms of relative performance, right? That the altcoins will underperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you've got a portfolio in crypto that's around 10K or more, then this might make sense for you to also open these kinds of positions. That's described in the premium membership. So it's thebitcoinstrader.com. Link is down below. There's also more information in the next video over here. Hope to see you in the video, and thanks for watching this one. Bye-bye.